Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Monorail Green. Our next stop is going to be Disney's Contemporary Resort Hotel and Disney Vacation Club's Bay Lake Tower. For your safety, please remain seated. For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings are required. You need to have them on, covering your nose and mouth completely at all times while you are on board the monorail. Thank you.
To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our Highway in the Sky and hope you've enjoyed the Magic Kingdom. We are traveling to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travels, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. If you're exiting, please gather your belongings, watch your head and step, and take small children by the hand. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is the Transportation and Ticket Center, with continuing service to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. We are now passing Bay Lake Tower and Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of Disney Vacation Club. This is Disney's Contemporary Resort. If you're exiting, please gather your belongings, watch your head and step, and take small children by the hand. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand momentarily. Thank you. Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Monorail Green. Our next stop is going to be the Transportation and Ticket Center. You'll find the parking lot for the Magic Kingdom there, as well as the walkway to the Polynesian Village Resort. For your safety, please remain seated. For the health and safety of everyone, please ensure your face coverings are on properly. Your nose and mouth must be covered at all times while you're on board the monorail. Thank you.
If you've just joined us, welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking. To the right is Disney-created Seven Seas Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. Nestled on the shores of Bay Lake are Disney's Port Wilderness Resort and Campground and Disney's Wilderness Lodge, home to Copper Creek Villas and Cabins, a part of Disney Vacation Club. This idyllic retreat features deluxe waterfront villas and cabins that combine the wonders of the great wilderness with the modern comforts of home. Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking.
Just a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, the Polynesian Village Resort Monorail Station is not operating at this time as they are reconstructing a new one. Guests traveling with the Polynesian need to exit here at the Transportation Ticket Center. There's a walkway over to the Polynesian Village Resort to get from here on foot, unfortunately. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings. Watch your head and step as you exit, and take small children by the hand. Once again, if you're traveling in Magic Kingdom car and bus parking, please exit here. If you need additional assistance, a host or host